I did delay the sinus surgery that I knew I needed for quite a period of time. About 10 years ago, I was in the hospital I'd had a heart attack. And I was in the hospital, and the bed next to me was a gentleman who had just had sinus surgery. When I looked at this poor guy, his face was a mess. I mean, his eyes were all bloodshot and black and blue. His face was all puffy and red and swollen. And here I am laying in the bed having a cardiologist tell me that I'm going to die. I was still better off, much better off as far as I was concerned. I wasn't near the pain he was, obviously. I felt so sorry for the poor guy. I thought, my God, if this is what sinus surgery is like, I hope I never have to have it. And then, of course, I wound up having to have it. With Dr. Bridge, I didn't have that problem. The technology that Dr. Bridge presented to me seemed so simple and so much easier to deal with. I was much more at ease knowing that he had a simpler way of doing things. He wasn't going to have to take tissue out of my face and things of that sort like they used to have to do. With the balloon surgery, they just go in there and open up the cavities and do what they need to do and get out. So there was no pain, nothing as far as that was concerned. And actually, I had very little pain even after the surgery. My recovery time was maybe 3-4 days at the most. And even that was not severe. Dr. Bridge has given me a quality of life with the balloon surgery that I would never have had otherwise.